guys, welcome back to another day here in El Nido, Palawan. Unfortunately, me and Joe will not be riding on one of these boats today. All the tours were fully sold out last night, so we've decided to hire a motorbike and go check out the beaches. So Joe and I have just stopped at this cute little cafe down on the front where the boats are. Last night we were disappointed we couldn't get on a boat trip, but with them all being sold out, I think all the places are going to be so overrun by tourists that it kind of ruined the experience. So as sad as we are we're not going, it's probably a blessing in disguise. We're going to get ourselves a little bit of breakfast, we're going to go get ourselves a moped, and then we're going to head off. North of Nat Pan Beach, there are two other beaches that are less spoiled, that are supposed to be stunning. So hopefully it should be a really good day. The sun is out all day. I have burnt myself to shreds, so I've got to cover up all day. But I am really looking forward to this. It should be a great day. French toast, baby. Right, refreshed, refueled, oiled up. Time to go get a hog and then hit the road on the rocky roads. So we are about 5 kilometers from Duli Beach. This place is supposed to be spectacular. A lot quieter than Nat Pan Beach, so we're quite looking forward to this. Check it out. Just ridden the hog up to Duli Beach. I'm looking at it now. It looks absolutely beautiful. Check this out. This beach is absolutely frigging gorgeous. I mean, there's what, less than 20 people on it. A few dogs, some surf lessons. That'll do you. Wow. Some pretty good white swell out there. Can only mean one thing on this beautiful beach. Got to get a surf lesson. Whew. Just enjoyed the last hour surfing. Literally as I got out though, it started raining, so we've seeked shelter, get ourselves a beer and chill out for a bit. The sun is coming back out, and when I say surfing, I mean I spent a lot of time falling off, but it was great fun. It's been over a year since I've surfed properly. Yes, beer, thank you. Here we go. Enjoyed a bit of time at Duli Beach. We're now heading to the other two beaches, which are slightly further north. What do you reckon of that beach then, Joanne?
Pretty damn spectacular. It was better than yesterday's in terms of there wasn't so many people there. But, awesome.
Yeah, I kind of agree. Like, this beach is a little bit quieter. There's quite a few people here now, but I would say there's still less than 50 people on this beach. It's a big beach. It's absolutely beautiful. The surf is wicked as well. I'm not the greatest surfer, but I quite enjoyed myself.
Gave it a go.
Gave it a go.
And you stood on the couple.
I stood up 5 whole times in an hour, but time to rock and roll. Let's go check out the other beaches. That beach looks beautiful, and this road takes us there. I mean, look at this. Wow. Whew. The ride here was tough. I will be honest, very up and down, stony. Scooter's not ideal, but my good God, this is worth it. Check this out. We are the only people on this beach. The only 3 people on this beach are these 3 children. So this beach here is called Verde Safari Beach, also known as Dagmay Beach, and I must admit one of the most secluded beaches I've ever been to. Bar these 3 kids, there is nobody here, not a tourist in sight. Just wow. I have to say that's probably one of the most unique beaches I've ever been to. To get here was quite an effort, I will be honest. Some sketchy roads, slippery, up and down, stony, sand, couple of little near misses, but kid you not, it is absolutely stunning. There is one little house which is for a family built on this beach, and I think they are one of the luckiest families in the world. I mean, that beach is unbelievable. A couple of fishing boats, 3 children, and a house. Been waiting a while for your chicken fried rice. What are you saying, Joanne?
Delicious.
It smells garlicky.
It is really garlicky.
Really garlicky? And there's food around, so are the dogs. Woof. Lunch and drinks done. We're going to do about half-hour laying in the sun, kind of let everything go down. We've seen 3 absolutely stunning beaches. One of the beaches we couldn't get to too well, so we had to look at it from the drone. It was absolutely spectacular to look at. I'm going to lay down for half an hour and then we're going to head back to town. Right then, day at the beach over with. It's been absolutely stunning. We're going to head back to town. We'll do a quick review of the few beaches we've seen over the last few days and our final thoughts. I must admit, it's been epic. Right guys, we're just back in our hotel room after that ride back. It's about an hour from Duli Beach. We've seen 3 absolutely gorgeous beaches today. Duli Beach, Safari Beach and Bangai. I'm not sure, I'll write it down. I will link all 3 in the description. And yesterday we saw Nakpan Beach as well, which was absolutely wicked, I must admit. Of those 4 beaches, I think Duli Beach was my favourite from an all-round perspective because it was beautiful. You could surf it as well. There was a little bit of food and somewhere to go to the toilet if you really needed it. And it was quite quiet, which I absolutely loved. We're next on to the province of Cebu. We're starting in Bohol and then we move on to Molobol. Anyway, we're going to end today's vlog there. We'll see you next time. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in Bohol.